Hi guys, today I'm going to make a really good soup that's perfect for this cold weather. I've got 4 sweet potatoes and I had 3 carrots, but the dog stole one. She's eyeing the sweet potatoes now. So I'm just going to get another one and I'm going to chop all this up and put it in a pot. So I've got them chopped up. Doesn't matter what they look like because all of this is going to get mushed down. Now I'm going to add an entire head of garlic and I'm just going to chop it up. I'm going to add in this much red onion. Next, I'm going to add in a bit of ginger. So that's everything I'm putting in so far, and now I'm just going to add in some spices. I'm going to add in a bit of Himalayan pink salt. Just a little bit. And lastly, I'm going to put in some ground turmeric. And now I'm going to add water, just enough to cover all the vegetables. So I've got the heat on high, and I'm just going to get it till it's boiling, and then I will reduce the heat until everything's softened. And of course you cover the pot. Okay, so when the soup is finished, you have to let it cool off quite a bit. And then what we're going to do is we're going to transfer it to a blender. So I'm going to do that now. Now, depending on how much you have made, you're going to need a container to pour what you blend up into, because you'll have to do it several times and then you can mix it up. So what you end up with is a really lovely thick soup. You can make it thinner or thicker depending on how much water you put in. And top it off with some fresh parsley, and enjoy. Thanks so much for watching.